Hi there, thank you for joining me today. We are going to make dark chocolate salted caramel fudge. This fudge is really easy to do and equally delicious. We're going to start by making a dry caramel. All you need is 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of heavy cream. It is simple to do, but you must stir it at all times. Your burner should be on medium to low heat, and you just add a bit of sugar at a time and stir until it is dissolved in a nice deep amber color. Then turn off your burner and slowly add your cream, being careful to avoid the rising steam. And that's it. This caramel sauce is very versatile and can be used over ice cream or to make a latte, but today we are going to set it aside to drizzle on our fudge. For the chocolate fudge, prepare a square 9x9 pan with parchment and grease with butter. Add 2 cups of sweetened condensed milk to a heavy pot and 2½ cups of chocolate. Stir it continuously over low heat until completely melted. As you continue to stir it, it will get thicker and thicker. And at that point, all you need to do is pour it into your prepared pan and spread it evenly. Drizzle with your homemade caramel sauce as shown and pull a stick in the opposite direction to make a design. Add some flaky sea salt if desired and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours until chilled. Cut into desired pieces and watch it disappear. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to watch some future videos and recipes, and leave a comment as to some recipes you would like to see me do. Enjoy!